Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting here on the daily chart, looking at our impulse toward the upside for this cycle, we are in a wave 5 after bottoming here for a wave 4, of course, in an A, B, and a C. A short wave 4 regarding to the short bull run that we're gonna see later. We have an ABC wave 4 and moving with triple 1 2s after, where we have a 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 and a 5 finished in the white scenario, finishing with it a wave 3 in the orange scenario, meaning 1 2 3 and then 4. You are currently now looking to finish a wave 4 or a finished already wave 4. So yesterday we were saying 101k is our invalidation point for all bearish scenarios. However, as you can see, the price action did not even reach yet to the 101. It has reached, of course, the 100,800 almost, and yeah, it has reversed. So yeah, kind of Bitcoin playing, of course, with us right now. And yeah, because this is the invalidation point of all bearish scenarios, of course, as we have mentioned in the last analysis. So yeah, this is what we are looking for as more clearer insights and price action validation of bullish scenarios, right, at 101k. Because meaning once we get to this area and we touch this price exactly, the 1212 is gonna be invalidated because this 12 has touched the 886, and then of course it will reduce so much the possibility to have wave 3 4 5 4 5, meaning this double 12s can be eliminated somehow. Now another scenario is, of course, 1 2 3 4 and a 5 in contracting diagonal hitting the 1.618 at 87, still optional, of course, where you have possibly ABC. Your wave C is this ending diagonal. Your ending diagonal would like to finish, of course, almost with this with this trend exactly, taken from the bottom of the wave 1 and 3, and of course having the parallel of it taken from the bottom of the wave 2. As you can see, we still have a very tiny small gap, of course, to fill in order to make this a wave 4 longer than your wave 2, meaning invalidation, of course, of this contracting diagonal once we reach the 101k. So of course, as you can see, the price action has stopped before it and then start to move toward the downside. We still have a gap. And of course that means we are, yeah, the bearish scenario still in the game, guys, and we cannot say that they are out. We have still some bearish scenario might be played. Yeah, so these are the insight on the daily. Of course, we are still looking probably for a bullish scenario here where we have 1 2 3 4 5. Even if we don't invalidate this, don't forget that your impulse has been almost finished. Yeah, so we have on the 1 hour chart 1 2 3 4 and a 5. So on the 1 hour chart in the bullish scenario, you have a of course finished impulse, I would say, but at the same time you can call this as well ABC, because you have 1 2 3 4 5, which it can be taken as well as a lone impulse, as a wave A. Then you have ABC, or here small shallow wave B, ABC, then 1 2 3 4 and a 5, meaning A, B, C, a zigzag, 3 waves toward the upside, meaning in a wave 4 can be, of course, of a contracting diagonal, a wave 4 in a zigzag, and then start to move toward the downside. So meaning this can be a zigzag, or it can be an impulse 1 2 3 as well, and then 4 and a 5. Yeah? In that case, your wave 4 can be taken from here, while your wave B can be taken from this point. Yeah, because this has to be considered as wave 3 and then 4 5. So this wave is your small wave 5 for this impulse as well. It can be and then of course moving toward the upside for a wave 5. So yeah, very tricky one, right? And also here very tricky because yeah, we need, of course, to see a little bit much more clearer price and much more like a decision for Bitcoin if it would like, of course, move toward the upside or still having options towards the downside. So these are the insight. We did not see, of course, yet a very precise decision. Now on the 1 hour chart, as you can see, we are moving, yeah, a little bit impulsive. I would call this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, but it doesn't look like an impulse. Let me check just on the 15-minute chart. So on the 15-minute chart, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is an impulse, or even it is a contracting, leading diagonal. Okay. Then ABC. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 did not reach. Yeah, we're impulsive toward the downside. Yeah, so be careful, guys. The trap might be there. As mentioned before, be careful from it. It might be, yeah, so here you go. You have a leading diagonal where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. A, B, and a C for your wave 2. So this is your wave 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, A, B, C for your wave 4 did not interfere with your wave 1 yet, and still moving toward the downside for a wave 5, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, meaning 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and a 5. And that, of course, is the first impulse, meaning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe continuation or a zigzag, A, B, C again. But yeah, higher possibility in this case is to move toward the downside because, as you know, the bearish scenario is still in the game. And here you go, we are looking at lower prices right now, so be careful from it. Yeah, so let's label this 1, 2, and 3, 4, and a 5. We're gonna see what's gonna happen with this. So we are looking for a wave 3 here, and not really low. Maybe it's gonna be extended. Nobody knows. But the path that we are looking for this is 1, 2, 1, 2 here. Yeah, possibly somehow like this, 4 and a 5. Somehow like that. So we have to watch and see what's gonna happen today. Yeah, let's keep the eyes open. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.